Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back in the channel seeing another tutorial. In the previous videos we were checking out a software called Synthesia. We are continuing with this software because there's a lot to unwrap. We have been checking out some of the functionalities that the software has. If you're new here and don't know what this software is about, Synthesia is a software used to create videos, mostly corporate aimed videos. You can create training videos, you can create promo videos, you can create internal communication videos, and so on. In the previous videos, we have created a bunch of different examples of what you can do with the software. You can upload files for the software to extract the info from those files and create videos. You can use URLs such as a Wikipedia article. You can use PowerPoint presentations. You can use the AI assistant for it to help you create videos. If you haven't checked out these videos, I really invite you to go to the channel, subscribe and check them out. For this video and the ones that we've created before, we are using some credits that the software sells. If you want to buy some of these credits and buy some of these plans, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you to use as well. In this video, we're gonna create a really short and concise training video. I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that the editor has for you to enhance the way that the training videos look, and all in all to have a really professional looking video at the end. So as always, I'm gonna make my face disappear. I'm gonna turn my camera off so you can see my screen better, and I'll see you guys in the end. As always, this is Synthesia's homepage. These are some of the templates that we can play around with. We have some different options on the top right here that we have explored in the previous videos. And as I was telling you just some seconds ago, in this video, we're gonna create a training video. There are some different templates that we can pick from. If we go to new video, we have the complete library of templates that we have right here. These on the top are interactive videos where the would-be employees can interact with the video. We have some other ones on the bottom right here, and we could search using this search bar at the top for training, and it would show us all of the different training videos that the software offers. As of now, I'm just gonna pick one of the bottom ones, not the interactive ones, but the normal ones, let's say. With any of these templates, you can use the template as a blank slate. You can create the scenes yourself, or you can create with AI, where you can ask the AI to divide the video into scenes and add a script. I'm gonna use this one, the green pixel training. I'm gonna create with AI, and you can do it in some different ways. You can do it with a file, if you upload a file, a URL, a prompt, or a script. So I'm just gonna write a little short prompt for this training video. So I just wrote this little short prompt that says training video for new employees of an ice cream company. Include the company history and a slide explaining how our web page works. You can specify how long you want the video to be. I'm just gonna make it 1 minute. The objective will be to train new employees. We can specify who the speaker is, and we should have a professional tone to the video. Once everything is how we wanted it to be, we can click on create outline. As I've showed you in previous videos, the software is gonna divide the video in different chapters. You can add any chapter that you want, and there are some short descriptions below the chapters as well. I'm gonna create the video as of now. The software then writes the script for the different scenes. And once everything's looking like we wanted it to be, we can click on continue in editor, so we can further edit the video for it to look specifically like we want it to be. Right here, I'm gonna show you some different parts that you can play around with the editor. For example, if you wanna add a scene where you wanna showcase your screen, you can have a blank scene. You can click on record right here. You have to install an extension previously, and you can specify if you wanna record your full screen, your window, or specific tabs that you have opened on Chrome. Right here at the bottom, you can also specify which microphone should the software use. This is the one that I'm using to record this video, the Yeti Nano, but you can have the microphone inside of your computer as well, or you can include no microphone at all. Let's say that we want to record this window that we're using. If we click on start recording, it's gonna have a little countdown and we can move around our mouse. We can, for example, add shapes if we want to draw something that we want to specify in our presentation. For example, if we wanted to explain to our new employees where to click on our web page, we could add shapes, we could add media, we could add any part that we want. For example, we want to emphasize that they should click on this part right here. We can add an arrow for them to click on. We can add titles and text, have something like this. And once we've done, we can click on record once again, and the software is gonna transcribe my speech, and it's gonna add a couple of different scenes where the screen share option is shown. It added this scene and it automatically added my speech as well. It even says how long I spoke for, and it transcribed the audio in this part as well. We don't need this slide anymore because this is the one that we used to record our screen, so we can delete it. And on these blank slides, for example, we could add stock media that emphasizes the things that we wanna emphasize on. If we go to Getty, for example, we could add different corporate GIFs, such as this one. We could add icons, a bunch of different icons, such as this little gear, the LinkedIn logo, or these little faces. We can add images as well. For example, a training image. As I showed you on the previous video as well, you can have multiple avatars interact with themselves. You need to write a little script for the avatar to say at the bottom. You can have something like, "This is our company." That would be just a little scene. And all in all, you can add as much or as many media that you want in order for you to really emphasize the point that you want to show on your video. Once everything's done, you can click on generate. You can change the title of the final video and the description of the video as well. I'm gonna add captions to this video, and then you can just click on generate and wait a couple of minutes for the software to create the video. So let's check out the video that the software created.
Did you know our journey began in a small garage with just a single ice cream maker? Today, we're a beloved brand, thanks to our unwavering commitment to quality and innovation in every scoop. Let's explore our sweet legacy together.
Page with the shape with the medium wicked. Any parts at I want, for example, we want to emphasize that they should click on the spot, trace a weekend, and
as you see, the English that is spoken is in Spanish, in a Spanish accent, because it understood my voice.
Our user-friendly web page is your gateway to all things ice cream. From accessing essential resources to discovering new flavors, it's designed with you in mind. Let's dive into its key features and enhance your digital experience with us. Need tips to navigate our digital parlor? Bookmark your favorite flavors, set up alerts for new releases, and explore our interactive tools. These tricks will make your online journey as delightful as our ice cream. By understanding our history and mastering our digital tools, you're shaping our future. Your contributions are vital.
As you see, the software created a really explicit and concise training video. It even added the screen recording that we added with our speech transcribed. To this editor, you can add transitions, you can add music, you can change the colors, you can add media, shapes, text, multiple avatars, add as much or as many assets that you want, as I've showed you in previous videos as well. And as you saw, creating a training video is as easy as that. You just need to write a prompt, or you could create it from scratch using the templates as well that the software has. I remind you that there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you guys to use, so you can get credits and get the most out of Synthesia. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.